coming in right now. The Ministry of External Affairs has spoken on the Prajwal Revanna issue. The spokesperson has said that the MEA has initiated action under provisions in the Passport Act 1967 for revocation of the diplomatic passport of Prajwal Revanna, and a show cause notice has been issued to the passport holder on the 23rd of May 2024, giving him 10 working days to respond to the MEA's notice. We're waiting, says the spokesperson, for a response and will take further action as per rules. So Randhir Jaiswal, the MEA spokesperson, says that a show cause notice as per procedure has been issued to Prajwal Revanna as to why his diplomatic passport shouldn't be cancelled. As per procedure, he is to be given 10 working days to reply to the show cause notice. It was issued on the 23rd of May, so they're waiting for his response at the moment. Sagai Raj, my colleague, is joining us for more on this. The MEA says that the process to cancel Prajwal Revanna's diplomatic passport has been initiated, with a show cause notice being issued to him to reply within 10 working days. Sagai.
Now, the MEA has issued a show cause notice and demanded for an explanation to be given within 10 days. And once he reaches Bengaluru, he will be even picked up by SIT from immigration. So it seems to be all
SIT from immigration. So it seems to be even more tough days ahead for Prajwal Revanna once he reaches India and Bengaluru, as the SIT as well as the MEA has already issued a show cause notice to him.
Okay, so the MEA has issued a show cause notice to him. Sagai, we of course are tracking all those developments. We believe that Prajwal Revanna is already on his way to India. He's expected to land by about 12:30 a.m. late tonight, so early morning on the 31st of May technically is when he will be landing. Will an SIT team be waiting at the airport? What are the instructions that have been given to immigration?
See, according to blue card notice, whenever the said accused, whoever has received a blue card notice, they should report to the investigating agency. The investigating agency in India is CBI. The immigration will report to Interpol. Interpol will report to CBI. CBI will report to the nodal agency in the state of Karnataka, that is CID. And CID will convey the message to special investigation team. So this is a cycle which has been followed, and in this particular case, immigration office is in Bengaluru, and which comes under Karnataka state government, and the police take care of this immigration office in Bengaluru. So once he lands Bengaluru, this immigration officer will report to the nodal office, that is CID, and CID will subsequently report to the special investigation team that he has reached, and immediately the SIT team will go to the immigration office inside Terminal 2 in the Bengaluru International Airport. In all possibilities, he might be picked up from the immigration office itself after showing the warrant and seizing his passport. He might be picked up because there is a warrant issued against him, and if you see the seriousness of the case, 376, I mean to say 3 rape charges against Prajwal Revanna so far on record. So seeing all these things, it is imminent that once Prajwal Revanna lands Bengaluru, he might be picked up by special investigation team.
Okay, Sagai, they're tracking that case very closely. Thank you so much for joining us. Let's listen in to Randhir Jaiswal, MEA spokesperson.
मैं आपको बताना चाहता हूं कि 21 तारीख को, इस महीने की 21 तारीख को हम लोग के पास वो रिक्वेस्ट आया था कर्नाटका सरकार से। 23 तारीख को हम लोगों ने शो कॉज नोटिस, जो हमारा प्रावधान है, विधिवत जो प्रावधान है इंडियन पासपोर्ट एक्ट के तहत, हम लोगों ने शो कॉज नोटिस जारी किया उस मेंबर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट के नाम पे। उनको दिया गया कि क्या बताइए कि आपका डिप्लोमेटिक पासपोर्ट क्यों नहीं कैंसिल हो सकता है। उसके लिए 10 दिन की अवधि है, 10 दिन के अंदर उनको जवाब देना है। 23 तारीख को हम लोगों ने ये शो कॉज नोटिस जारी किया था। हम लोग उनके जवाब का इंतज़ार कर रहे हैं। जवाब मिल जाएगा, उसके बाद हम अपनी कार्रवाई आगे करेंगे।